A very good afternoon to all of you. You're watching Redspo News. My name is Rinju. Let's get the news rolling for the headlines first. Split widens among opposition parties over CAA protest. BSP, Trinamool Congress and AAP to boycott the opposition party meeting called by Congress. Supreme Court appointed 9-judge bench begins to hear the Sabarimala temple case. Supreme Court gives 3 weeks time for the finalization of all the issues related to Sabarimala. After meeting Qatar Emir, Iran agrees to de-escalate the tensions in region. Trump continues warning Iran not to use nuclear weapons. Now the news in detail. Despite the escalating protests in the country, opposition parties will meet today at 2 p.m. to have a discussion on Citizenship Act and NRC. Now the meeting is yet another show of opposition unity. However, as per the reports, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and BSP Chief Mayawati has announced that they will not attend this meeting. Despite the violent protests going on in the country, the Congress has called a meeting later this afternoon to chalk out a strategy to prevent Citizenship Act from being implemented. If sources are to be believed, BSP Chief Mayawati and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will not attend this meeting. It is believed that Mamata Banerjee is angry for the clashes that happened between the workers of the Left Party and Trinamool Congress during last week's trade union strike. Meanwhile, Mayawati tweeted that she is upset with the Congress party after all 6 MLAs of a party in Rajasthan joined the ruling Congress last September. And this BSP's differences with the Congress are being cited as a reason for not attending the meeting. Meanwhile, the recent report is that the Aam Aadmi Party will also skip this meeting. News Desk, Redspo News. Supreme Court appointed 9-judge bench begins to hear Sabarimala temple case. Supreme Court gives 3 weeks time for the finalization of all the issues related to Sabarimala. The Chief Justice clarified the bench will not review the judgment by Justice Nariman. Our reporter Kessia is joining us with the details. Kessia, tell us what are the current updates now?
Rinju, the Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde said that the order of the Supreme Court in Sabarimala continues to stand. Supreme Court's 9-judge bench today said that it will only hear the questions referred in the review order passed by it on November 14 in the Sabarimala temple issue. Solicitor General asked the Supreme Court to clarify whether polygamy practice will be part of the hearing, and the Chief Justice clarified that only issues or cases referred to by the 5-judge bench Sabarimala bench would be considered. Justice Bobde also said that the bench will not review the judgment by the Justice Nariman. While state government has decided to take the wait and watch approach, the state government might not be going ahead and taking another decision. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court gives 3-week time for all the lawyers for finalization of all issues relating to Sabarimala and rest of the matters. Conference of lawyers to be held on January 17 for the same. Rinju.